In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pattern fill in Figma. Pattern fills are a fantastic way to add unique textures and visual interest to your designs, allowing for a high degree of customization directly within Figma. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand exactly how to implement this powerful feature in your Figma projects. To begin, let's create the visual element that will form our pattern. Open a Figma file and start by adding an ellipse to your canvas using the Shape Tools menu. While an ellipse is simple, you can use any shape or even a combination for your pattern. Select your ellipse and, in the right-hand Properties panel, click the Fill Color swatch to choose a color. Now, duplicate this ellipse a few times using Command-D or Control-D. Arrange these duplicated ellipses to form a small, repeating cluster. Feel free to vary their sizes or assign different colors within this unit for a more dynamic look. For example, you might use a yellow ellipse next to a blue one. Once you're happy with your cluster, select all the shapes and group them together using Command-G or Control-G. This grouped unit will be the source for your repeatable pattern. Now that our custom pattern unit is ready, let's apply it. First, create or select a new shape, like a large rectangle, where you want to apply this pattern. With this shape selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel. Under the Fill section, click the current color swatch or the plus icon to add a new fill. By default, the fill type is usually Solid. Click on the drop-down menu next to Solid. From the list of options, choose Pattern. Once selected, you might see a default grid or placeholder appear within your rectangle. This is normal. We just need to tell Figma which custom pattern we want to use. With Pattern now selected as your fill type, you'll see a new option appear directly below it, usually a small thumbnail or an icon. This is where you specify which element on your canvas Figma should use as the pattern source. Click on this thumbnail or icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you all the eligible layers and groups on your canvas that Figma can convert into a pattern. From this list, find and select the group of ellipses that you created earlier. As soon as you click on your custom pattern group, you'll instantly see it tiled across your selected shape. To refine its appearance, below the pattern selection, you'll find options to adjust the tile setting, which controls the size and spacing of your pattern units. Experiment with settings like Fill, Fit, Crop, or Tile to see how they affect the repetition and scaling. You can also drag the corners of the bounding box that appears over your shape to scale or rotate your pattern directly on the canvas, giving you precise control. And that's it. You've successfully created and applied a custom pattern fill in Figma, opening up a world of creative possibilities for your designs.